Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 28th May. Welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall focus on some of the important events happened on 28th May in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Success does not depend on the size of our brain, it is totally dependent on the size of our thoughts. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which Indian independence activist born on this day in 1883 had founded Abhinav Bharat Society and written the book The Indian War of Independence? Answer. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Question number 2. Which Indian actor, producer and director formed Telugu Desam Party and served as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for 7 years over 3 terms? Answer. N.T. Ramarao. His full name is Nandamuri Tarak Ramarao. Question number 3. Which Indian revolutionary died on this day in 1930 while testing a bomb on the banks of river Ravi in Lahore? Answer. Bhagwati Charan Vora. Question number 4. Which country performed 5 underground nuclear tests codenamed Jagai 1 on this day in 1998? Answer. Pakistan. This day is celebrated every year as Yom-e-Takbir, that is the Day of Greatness. It is celebrated as a national day in Pakistan. Question number 5. Who is British writer, journalist and naval intelligence officer born on this day in 1908? He is best known for his James Bond series of spy novels. Answer. Ian Fleming. Question number 6. Which Germany automobile manufacturer was founded on this day in 1937? Answer. Volkswagen. Question number 7. Which British mountaineer conquered the expedition to the world's third highest mountain peak, Kanchenjunga, on this day in 1955? Answer. Charles Evans. Question number 8. Which year on this day Amnesty International, a human rights organization, was founded? Answer. 1961. Its headquarters is in London. Question number 9. Which king of United Kingdom died on this day in 1972 in Paris? Was the Emperor of India from 20 January to 11 December 1936? Answer. Edward VIII. Question number 10. Which painting of Leonardo da Vinci was put back on display after 22 years of restoration work on this day in 1999? Answer. The Last Supper. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.